How to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap or just swipe it the screen to the right, and here you can see the option of post, story, reels and live. So tap on the reel option, and as you tap on the reel option, you can see the gear icon at the top right corner. So tap on it. Here, tap on the Reels section under the camera settings and make sure that you toggle on this option of Save Reels to Device. So when you toggle on this option, you'll automatically save your Reels to your phone. Now this is for the future purpose. Now if you want to download or save Instagram Reels to your gallery which have already been uploaded, tap on your profile, select on the reel that you want to download, then tap on the three dotted lines. You tap on the Save option, and as you tap on Save, tap on the three dotted lines again and select Manage. Now tap on Download and you'll be able to save the Instagram Reel to your gallery. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.